Here's what nobody tells you when you're standing in a parking lot searching cheap tires near me at 11 p.m. Not all tires are the same, and the difference between a good one and a bad one isn't price. It isn't even brand recognition. It's something that only shows up at 70 miles per hour in the rain, when your car needs to stop in 3 seconds instead of 4. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly which 5 tire brands mechanics quietly refuse to install. Some of them you've definitely seen at Walmart, and then I'm going to show you 3 underrated brands that most people have never heard of that actually outperform tires twice their price. Let's get into it. Brand number 1, Westlake. Westlake is a Chinese brand that's been around since the 80s. Not every Chinese tire is bad, but Westlake has a specific problem that shows up over and over in mechanic forums and in independent testing. Their wet braking performance is genuinely alarming. Consumer Reports and independent European testing groups have tested Westlake tires multiple times. In several tests, their stopping distance in wet conditions was 15 to 20 feet longer than comparable tires in the same price range. On a highway, 15 extra feet is the difference between stopping safely and hitting the car in front of you. And here's the kicker: they're not even that cheap anymore. A lot of retailers mark them up because they sound like a premium brand. Do not be fooled by the name. Mechanics who have been in the game 10 plus years will tell you flat out. If a customer brings in Westlakes, they'll tell you, "We'll install them, but we're not recommending them." Brand number 2, Firestone. Now this one is going to surprise some people because Firestone has been around forever. They are a Bridgestone subsidiary. They have a real history in motorsport. But here's what happened. In the early 2000s, Firestone had one of the most catastrophic tire recall events in American history. The Firestone Wilderness. AT recall involved 14.4 million tires, connected to over 270 deaths and hundreds of injuries, mostly from tread separation on Ford Explorers. The fallout was massive, a complete breakdown of the relationship with Ford. Now, to be fair, that was 25 years ago, and Firestone has made changes. But here's the problem. Consumer trust is hard to rebuild, and independent quality testing still consistently puts Firestone mid to low in their category. They're not the worst performing tire on the road today. They are not cheap. You can do significantly better. Most mechanics won't steer you toward Firestone. They'll steer you away. By the way, the 3 brands I'm going to show you in the second half of this video. One of them is built in Finland. It's been tested in conditions most tire brands won't even simulate, and it regularly beats Michelin in winter performance tests. Keep watching. Brand number 3, Douglas. Douglas tires are Walmart's house brand. They're made by Goodyear technically, which sounds reassuring. But here's the reality. Goodyear makes them as a budget product designed to hit a price point. They are not Goodyear's. The compound is softer, which means they wear faster. Independent wear tests show Douglas tires losing significant tread depth in as little as 20,000 miles. The industry standard for a decent all-season tire is 40,000 to 60,000. And yes, they're cheap up front. $60 a tire sounds great until you realize you're buying tires again in 1 year. Mechanics call this the Walmart tire trap. You save money today, you spend double next year. The lifetime cost is actually higher, the ride quality is worse, and the performance in bad weather is marginal at best. If you're on a tight budget, and there's no shame in that, I'm going to give you a legitimate alternative that won't cost much more and will last twice as long. Brand number 4, Accelera. Accelera is a brand from Indonesia, and they market themselves aggressively as a performance tire. They have aggressive tread patterns, they use performance-sounding names, and they're priced to make you feel like you're getting a deal on a sport tire. The problem is, the testing data tells a completely different story. TireRack, which is one of the most respected tire testing organizations in the United States, has put Accelera tires through standard performance evaluation, and the results are consistently below average, especially in lateral grip and wet cornering. If you drive a sport, compact, a hot hatch, anything where you actually lean on the tires in corners, Accelera is not the move. What's especially dangerous here is the marketing. A bad tire that looks like a basic tire, you know it's a basic tire? A bad tire that markets itself as performance? That's where people get into trouble, because they push it. And it doesn't respond the way a real performance tire should. Brand number 5, Goodride. Goodride is made by ZC Rubber in China, and they are absolutely everywhere. Fleet vehicles, rental cars, budget dealerships. They are the lowest common denominator of the tire world. The quality control issues with Goodride are documented extensively. Uneven tread depth from the factory, balancing issues that cause vibration, and structural consistency problems, meaning the tire you get might be meaningfully different from the tire that got tested. Multiple EU and US automotive publications have flagged Goodride in budget tire comparisons for exactly this reason. They pass the minimum safety threshold, but the margin is thin enough that mechanics who've been in the business don't want their name on the installation. Here's the part that actually helps you. 3 tire brands that are genuinely underrated, priced reasonably, tested rigorously, and trusted by mechanics who know the difference. Brand number 1, Hankook. Hankook is South Korean. They've been making tires since 1941. And here's the thing that should tell you everything. They are an OEM supplier for BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, and Audi. That means before your car left the factory, an engineer at BMW signed off on Hankook tires going on that vehicle. That is not an accident. OEM contracts are brutal. The quality standards are extremely high, the liability is enormous, and manufacturers don't give those deals to brands they don't trust. And yet Hankook retails at 20 to 30% less than Michelin or Continental for comparable performance tires. Their Ventus and Kinergy lines are especially well regarded. TireRack reviewers consistently give Hankook tires 4.5 stars or above for ride comfort, handling, and tread life. Mechanics recommend them constantly because they're good tire, fair price, reliable result. If you've been told your only options are Michelin or cheap, Hankook is your answer. Brand number 2, Vredestein. Here's one most Americans have never heard of. Vredestein is Dutch, founded in 1909, now owned by Apollo Tires, and they design their tires in collaboration with Giorgetto Giugiaro. That's the guy who designed the original Volkswagen Golf, the Maserati Bora, and the DeLorean. Yes, the design is actually relevant here because Vredestein tires have a distinctive asymmetric tread architecture that's genuinely engineered, not just aesthetic. The TireRack Pro is their flagship all-season tire, and it routinely finishes in the top 3 in European all-season tire tests, which are the hardest tests in the world. European automotive press tests tires harder than American publications because European drivers deal with more variable road conditions across shorter distances. AutoBild, one of Germany's most respected car magazines, tested 51 all-season tires, and Vredestein finished in the top tier, against Michelin, against Continental, against Goodyear. And in the US, a set of Vredestein TireRack Pros on a mid-size sedan will typically run you 10 to 15% less than comparable Michelins. This is the hidden gem of the tire world. Mechanics who know about them recommend them almost universally. Brand number 3, Nokian. Nokian is Finnish. They invented the winter tire in 1934. That is not a marketing claim. It is a historical fact. They built the first purpose-designed snow tire for Nordic conditions, and they have been doing this longer than any other company on Earth. Their testing facilities in Ivalo, Finland operate in conditions that most tire brands won't even simulate. We're talking minus 40-degree ambient temperatures, ice surfaces, packed snow, slush. They test in real winter because they're located in actual winter. Their Hakkapeliitta line is consistently ranked the best winter tire in the world by independent European publications. And their season-proof all-season line has similarly impressed reviewers who were expecting a niche Nordic brand, not a top-tier performer. For anyone who lives somewhere that actually gets winter, Minnesota, Michigan, the Northeast, Colorado, the Pacific Northwest at elevation, Nokian is not just a good choice. It's arguably the most responsible choice you can make. Yes, they're a bit harder to find than Michelin or Goodyear, but TireRack carries them. Discount Tire carries them, and your mechanic can order them. It's worth the extra step. Here's the final thought. Tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. 4 contact patches, each about the size of your hand. Everything else, your engine, your brakes, your suspension, all of it works through those 4 patches. Buying a bad tire to save $40 is like buying a bulletproof vest with a small hole in it and calling it close enough. It's not close enough. If this video saved you from a bad purchase or pointed you toward a tire you hadn't considered, hit like. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Drop a comment with what brand you've been running and whether you've had good or bad experiences. And subscribe if you want more of this kind of real, no-fluff automotive content. See you in the next one.